3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, this is Lansing for Mama. Ngayon, puyat dahil sa live kagabi. Saka nandito kami ngayon sa Star Brisbane Hotel kasi grabe guys, ang dami nag-check-in. Tingnan mo ang pila. Ang dami pila dito guys. So chill-chill na lang guys. So guys, tapos na kami nag-check-in. So ngayon guys, nandito na kami sa aming room. Pagod na pagod ako sa ngayon guys kasi kulang ako ng tulog. So ito yung view ng aming hotel guys. Tingnan nyo guys, tsaka sa baba. Diba? Tapos guys, doon sa taas, nakita ito guys. Oh, yun ang sky deck doon, oh, guys. Oh. Yan ang sky deck. Makikita mo ang Brisbane River. So, ito guys, muna ang aming ipapakita sa inyo guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ang mata ko guys. Bagang baga. Kaya nagsasalamin ako kasi ang mata ko ay bagang baga guys. So ngayon guys, pakita ko naman sa inyo guys ang aking mga kasama. Chill guys, pakita ko sa inyo, sila naman ang ipapakita ko. This is our staycation. Dito kami ngayon sa aming room. Ano mo yung dalawa? Kanya-kanya silang telepono. Hay nako. Kanya-kanya mga telepono sila. Para silang iwan. So ito yung room namin. Dito lang sa Gold Coast mayroong welcome. Dito walang welcome oh. Patay ang walang welcome. So yan ang ayan ang aming bag. So yan ang view ng aming yan ang view ng aming tinitirhan, aming room. So tingnan mo oh. Ulan ng ulan guys. Ayan oh. So ito yung Brisbane City. Ayan, Brisbane City to guys. Tingnan mo yung building oh. Yan ang aking kasama.
Hi everyone. We are here in Casino. So lucky that Ate Princess,
Hindi na niya ako kilala.
Kasi na-excited ako sa video ni ate kaya hindi ko na nalalaman yung pangalan niya.
Hindi niya ako kilala.
Basta si ate yan.
Oh, see? Yan ang hindi niya ako kakilala. See? Nag-iisip pa siya kung anong pangalan ko.
Kasi guys, you know what guys, it's my first time actually here. Like ate invite me here tonight. So Ate Lily
Aba,
is the best.
naalala na rin niya yung pangalan ko.
Yeah, well guys, actually I know Ate Lily. So that's why, because I'm so excited that I'm here. And as you can see as the view, it's the first time. Thank you Ate Lily for having me here tonight.
Ayan niyang artistahin tong babaeng to. Artistahin yan. Yan ang artista
Guys,
namin.
come into my YouTube. Have a look on my site. See, but actually, guys, I'm going to open one because I haven't have any. I think I have, but I don't know if they are still alive. But anyway, Ate Lily, thank you so much.
Hindi
Ate
pa
Lily.
pala to hindi pa pala to nakasubscribe sa akin. Baktay to.
Anyway, guys, we turn into one of our good friends. That lady over there.
Ayan,
There we
tingnan mo,
go.
tingnan mo.
Doing some work, sorry.
Oh, na. Pumunta pa tayo dito kung magwo-work ka lang pala.
Hindi, email, it needs to reply. It's urgent.
Miss Argent, ayan.
Hi, my name is Wendy. I'm Ate Lily's secretary. I'm her best friend. I'm her everything. So we're privileged to come here today because she invited us to stay overnight so that it's our stress reliever. So she's my stress reliever. I've been working so hard. So I need to be chill and just enjoying the night. So here in Casino in the city. So come on guys, see us here in Casino and join us.
Aba, aba,
And then I will treat her a nice dinner too.
aba, aba.
So she treat us with a nice
Guys.
room. So I'll treat her in a nice dinner.
Guys,
A
hindi-
lot of drinks. But she is a millionaire woman. I'm just a coins.
Aba.
So
guys,
stay
hindi ko,
tuned. Our next adventure.
hindi ko na to naiintindihan guys kung anong pinagsasabi niya. Ay, nako. So guys, ayan ang video din siya. Wala, sige, video ka rin. Magbi-video din. Oy kayo, ano bang,
Question?
anong nyo sa Hala? Anong, hala? Oh, si tingnan mo, video din, oh. Oh, anong nangyari dyan? Oy, anong mo sa, picture sila ng picture. Ikaw, Lisa,
Oo, ate. Yes.
anong
Yeah.
mo sa
Ask me questions, anything you like me to.
How long have you been in Australia?
Yeah, actually, ate, I've been here in Australia for almost 23 years now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so far so good. And
so
I'd
far
love
so-
to stay here more.
Any bad experience?
Yeah.
Good experience? How?
Yeah,
What
I-
is your bad experience?
Bad
Tell me.
experience is like when I first come to Australia, I meet like oldest Filipinos. I thought like when you come to Australia, you may think like like Filipino to make friends because you just new here. But
Yeah.
all of a sudden, I encounter into the wrong Filipinos. They
Why?
putting you into your day pocket, like telling you this and that, but actually they are not really good people.
They teach you
Yeah,
bad things.
because they know that I'm just new here.
They manipulate you nga ito, wag gawin ganon.
Yeah, so anyway, after all that happened, I decided to move away and stay with
Stay away from
yeah.
bad Filipina.
Yes.
Ah.
And then and after that, and then I meet some Filipinos. Some are good. I'm not saying bad, but it's just like bad experience of you just new here. And
So ibig sabihin, may bad experience ka sa mga Pilipina kaya nag-iingat ka na.
yes, I ingat myself to anybody because
So you stay away from Pilipinas.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
yes.
Bakit anong ginagawa nila sa iyo?
Hindi, kasi sinabihan ako na your husband are old, you know,
Ah.
you don't like you are very young and telling this. I said, why do I have to listen those, like
Hindi.
yeah.
Tama. Pero at least yun lang ang ginagawa nila
Yeah,
sa iyo.
Making up a story. Making up a story.
Ito pang isa. Mamaya pa tong isa. So, and the whole package
in the whole package.
The whole package, anong masasabi mo dito sa Australia?
Anong masasabi ko sa Australia? It's a beautiful country.
See people.
Yeah, so well, I meet, I guess, from work, you meet a different colleagues of, like from Brazil, like any different countries that you're meeting people, and it's really good. It's not only one country, like, I know, we are so happy that we meet some Filipino making friends and all that, but
Pero mas magandang kaibigan ang mga ibang country,
it
ibang
is
lahi
100%,
kaysa
100%,
kapwa
yes.
mo.
Yes, 100%. Totoo yan, te.
Mm.
Kasi yung kasi parang I don't know ha, but it probably the same thing, like they have gossip and talk behind their back, but because we different country and we making friends, and I don't think they will like that.
They will
Like,
judge
yes,
us.
no.
So, ibig mong sabihin, mas prepared mo ang mga ibang lahi kaysa kapwa natin.
Yes. Well,
Pero mayroon namang kapwa natin na tunay at mabait. Hindi naman lahat ang
hindi
ano.
naman lahat. Hindi naman lahat. Kasi may mga iba din na ang tagal-tagal na dito, tapos parang na ba,
Hindi na kumikilala.
yes.
At alam mo ba yun kung bakit sila nagkaganyan?
Iwan ko
So may reason din yan sila.
May reason.
Hindi natin hindi tayo pwedeng mag-judge kasi
Yes.
minsan may reason kung bakit sila umiiwas ng Pilipina.
Yes, true.
Sa totoo yan. Ikaw, gaya mo. Umiiwas ka, you try your best na umiiwas sa Pilipina kasi yun na nga, may bad experience ka. Ganun lang yun. Ganun yun.
Yeah.
Ako nga, mas gugustuhin ko pa na na may bagong, pag may mamit ka na bagong kaibigan,
Yeah.
yung hindi kapwa natin.
Okay, Ate Lily, how long you been in Australia, Ate Lily?
38 years?
38 years. Oh, wow. That's very long time. So in that 38 years, Ate Lily, have you met a lot of Filipinos?
Yes. I met heaps of Filipino from Sydney.
Tell us the story. What's happening?
Sydney, Gold Coast, New South Wales, Brisbane, Lugan,
Wow.
Logan, Bogan, Northside, Brisbane City, etc., etc.
Wow. That's so anyway, Ate, you got a lot of people. Have you find any like close friends?
I have heaps of close friends. And sa 38 ko dito sa Australia, yung ibang Pilipina na nakilala ko, akala ko tunay silang kaibigan. Yan pala mga fake. Mga fake sila, mga 50 cents plastic. 50 cents sa plastic, Hindi, okay lang sana kung Tupperware. Pero 50 cents ang pagka-plastic nila.
So what did you experience today? What happened? Anong nangyari?
Akala mo kung tunay mo silang kaibigan, tapos yung pala, gagamitin ka lang.
So anong na-lesson mo sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo? Sa sobrang bait mo dito, anong lesson mo?
O wag kang maniniwala sa mga fake na ngiti. Huwag kang maniniwala sa mga fake na ngiti. Huwag kang maniniwala sa ang ganda-ganda mo. Huwag kang maniniwala sa ang bait-bait mo. Kailangan mong kilalanin yung tao na yon. Pero sometimes, hindi mo talaga makilala ang isang tao until mangyayari sa iyo.
Anong leksyon mo na nakukuha sa sobrang bait mo sa kapwa mo?
Huwag kang masyadong mabait kasi gagamitin ka lang. Kasi sa sobrang kabaitan mo, they take advantage from your kindness, you know. Pag hindi na nila makuha ang gusto nila, ayun, aawayin ka na, gagawan ka ng kwento, gagawan ka ng ano-ano. Yan ang nararanasan ko dito sa Australia. Mabait ka lang sa kapwa Pilipina mo kung may pakinabang pa sila sa iyo.
Okay.
Pero pag wala ka ng pakinabang sa kanila, huyo ka na. It's a porya ka na. Gagawan ka pa ng salita.
So, next question, T. Kaya mo ba silang patawarin sa mga ginagawa nilang pananakit sa'yo? Pang paninira ang puri sa'yo? Sa kabaitan mo sa kanila? Willing ka ba na mag-forgive? Willing ka ba na...
Ay, pinatawad ko na sila. Pinatawad ko na sila. Ang bahala na ang Diyos. Pero hanggang doon na lang yun.
Hindi ba sila kawalan sa buhay mo na ngayon nag-isa ka?
Hindi ko sila kawalan. I'm better off without them. Wala nang mga demonyo sa buhay ko. Ang ibig kong sabihin, pinatawad ko na sila, kinalimutan ko na sila. But I can't forget what they do to me. Nagamit nila ako eh. Nagamit nila ako, magaling lang sila magsasalita ng ganito. Pero as sa sinasabi ko nga, magaling sila magsalita ng ganun. Pero pag wala ka ng pakinabang, goodbye ka na.
So, with those people na mga kaibigan mong lumayo ka, bumalik ba sila sa'yo? Nagparamdam ba? Anong...
Ay! Yung isa lang. Pero, yung iba, matayog ang nila eh. Matayog ang kanilang pride. Ang nila pride duck. Kahit wala na sila, akala mo kung sino. So, hindi ko naman sila kawalan eh.
Paano pag bumalik sila sa'yo, Te? Anong gagawin mo?
Wala na. Pinatawad ko na sila. Bahala na ang Diyos. Kasi, pag wala ka, alam mo wala kang ginagawang masama sa kanila, ang Diyos na ang bahala sa kanila. Kasi ang karma hindi natutulog. Hindi natutulog ang karma. Di ba, Lisa? Ilsa?
Yes, no, karma is not, they are not sleep. I tell you,
Digital
karma
lang ngayon ang karma. Hantayin na lang.
Yes, of course, Ate.
Oo.
Because what happened is, like, you are such a good person, and that's what people taking advantage to those a good person.
Yeah.
So now you learn a lot of lesson of, you know, you don't have to.
Hindi ko sila kawalan kasi ang dami-dami ko pang mga kaibigan na mga tunay.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Stay with those
like
people.
Wendy, Naomi,
Yes.
Roslyn, Carol.
Yeah. So all those people stick with.
Jean, Marlene, Joy Galicia.
How long you been friends with those people, Ate?
Marami na.
Dali?
Marami to mention. Basta lahat-lahat ng mga kaibigan ko sa taga Gold Coast, New South Wales. Alam nyo guys kung sino kayo. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. I love you all. And of course, Elsa, nandiyan ka.
Yes, of course.
At saka of course, sa aking mga pamilya.
Yes.
Number 1, pamilya.
Yes, of course. Never lost to your family. Family first, then friends.
Yeah.
Yes. Friends is always there, but the main thing is the family, it's
Family.
always there.
Yeah, always.
Whatever happen, family is always as a family. Yes.
So guys, ako naman ang mag-i-interview sa aking isang kaibigan na si Wendy Lambert. Tatanungin ko kung anong experience niya dito sa Australia. So guys, ito na naman tayo sa aking amiga, kapatid, amiga, kaaway.
Never tayong naging kaaway, te. Don't say kaaway.
Ay, dan kasama na yung lahat-lahat. Kaaway, kapatid, best friend, best enemy,
Kakrisenes?
everything nandyan na sa'yo. Pero, hindi pa tayo nag-aaway. Sa susunod pa.
Hindi yun. Walang away yun.
Anyway, ito si Wendy Lambert, guys. Isa siyang partner in crime. Ang dami kong partner in crime. Si Naomi, ito yung tagabigay ng aking palipad. Sa pilitan lang ata tong palipad eh.
No comments. No comments.
So Wendy, ilang taon ka na dito?
19. Magti 20 years.
Okay. Any experience tungkol sa mga Pilipina?
Good or bad?
Umpisahan natin ang good.
Good? Yeah, I met yung mga totoong tao and I helped a lot. A lot of Filipina that you think that they're genuinely needed the help, but I'm glad that I helped them, you know. So I did meet some Filipina. Most of them give me a lesson as well.
Oh,
You
that's
know?
Anong klaseng lesson yun?
Na first, don't trust them. Don't share your personal matters. Don't share your problems. Don't trust, because they will use
Depende sa Pilipina yun.
They will use against you when you're not used for them. So they're gonna use, or if they're after using you and they were not happy, they will use all those things against
So
you.
you mean, when they don't get what they want, whatever you telling them, they use that against you.
And
Is that what you mean?
Yeah, not that. They're gonna make up a story for you look bad, and you know people hated you, and the other thing as well, they're gonna recruit other Filipina and tell the story, lies, manipulation, everything, so that they're gonna hate you. Like the whole community will hate you without even knowing the whole story. And I got a big trauma with that one.
Sounds like that you and me have the same experience for that
Yes, my
sort of
husband
thing.
said they will know your name, but they will not know you who you are behind doors. They
Yep.
only know you based on their story, but they doesn't know you based who you are.
That's true. So,
And it's not like kawalan to have no friends. I'm happy being alone. I'm happy to have 1-2 friends that I can cry with, I can be crazy with, and it's not my kawalan. And also, I'm very happy of who I'm with now, with my friends. I'm not missing them, even one of them. They're just passing by. They're just a pest in my life that give me a lesson. And I never.
parang mga linta ba?
Yes. They're very good at you when you're useful, but if you're not useful, you're just a piece of shit.
Ay, nako. Same pala.
But I am very glad because they said I'm a bad person, but look where I am right now. So the more they brag my name, the more they put shit on my name, God rise me up. And with everything that I have right now, I'm so blessed and so lucky. And everything that I have right now, from family to financial things and to have a good friend, what else I'm gonna ask for in my family? That's the 3 things that I need. I don't need those shit people around me. I'm glad that God took them away. That's the reality.
So that's the reality in Australia.
Yes, you're good to them if you're useful, but even how good person you are, even you give them your hands, help them with your heart, help them to build their life, or help them with work and everything, but at the end you're a piece of shit.
Kahit
They
na
don't appreciate.
ano mo, kamag-anak mo,
Oo,
di ba?
kahit pinsan mo pa. You help them to come here to give a better life, but guess what they're doing to you? They turn around their back and treat you like a piece of shit. But look at them now, where she is right now. I'm giving you the example. Karma gets her. Even it take years and years, but it's come.
Pero, and the whole lot, my dear friend Wendy, are you happy to be here in
Oh
Australia?
yeah, of course. The privilege, the opportunities, the life that we have here that we cannot get back home, of course. I'm always grateful for that one. I'm always grateful with my husband until my last breath, because without my husband, I could not experience all of this here in Australia. So I'm very happy. I'm grateful every day. I'm thankful for that. The country is good. Australia is very nice. Awesome country, but it's sad to say that your own
Ang
people,
kapwa pa natin.
your own people, the Filipino who drug you down,
Yeah.
they don't want to see you rising up. They will not gonna happy with what your achievement.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's the
They
sad
try
part.
they try to
Drag you down.
when they are not happy what you got.
Yeah.
They are very jealous.
Yes.
And para sa akin, hindi lahat. May mga Pilipina talaga na ang bitter of than you. Parang hindi sila masaya kung anong mayroon ka.
What we have right, yeah, I agree. But what we have, what we achieve, we bloody work on it. We're not sitting our ass and waiting that.
Gaya
things to
nila ha.
happen.
Gaya ng sugal ng sugal. Hindi nagtatrabaho.
Mangungutang ng pangsugal. Tapos pag hindi pa utangin, magagalit.
Ay, grabe.
You never been good to a people that doesn't know how to appreciate you.
Ay, nako. So, yan pala ang experience mo dito sa Australia. So, pareho-pareho lang pala tayong na-experience sa buhay. So,
But yes, but you're a good person. People say that, but they don't recognize you for that because they feel jealous of you. But you're the best person, best friend, best of friend with people. You're helping with people. You give your hands. You never give a stress. You're just waiting there until people, all you need is respect and treat you well. So what you're giving to those people, to your ex-friend or whoever, you just give them of what they give it back to you. So if they treat you right, treat them right. But if they treat you shit, fuck them off.
yep. Thank you very much, Wendy Lambert. At least,
Thank you.
at least I learned that hindi lang pala ako nag-iisa. Marami pala
No.
tayo dito.
There's a lot.
Guys, tingnan nyo. Chill lang kami. Oh, happy. Life is so short, kaya ayun na kami. Bakit mo nagawa ang umibig sa iba? Hindi na ba sapat ang pag-ibig ko? Bakit iniwan mo ako? Ito yung pork
Chicken cashew.
at chicken cashew stir fry. So good evening guys, this is Dancing Pillow Mama again. Ano guys, nandito na kami sa baba ng hotel. Kumain na kami, kakain kami. Hindi sana ako kakain at bababa kaso lang pinagalitan nila ako. Ano ba daw pinunta namin dito? Makahiga lang. Kaya wala akong choice. Mga reklamador tong dalawa.
Basher.
Sayang. Ito
Basher
buzzer.
number 1
Ito,
goes to the basher number 2.
ito yung buzzer na panay palipad. Ayan. Ito, hindi pa to nagpapalipad. Kailangan magpapalipad na rin siya.
Basher number 2.
Oh.
What's here?
Alam mo ba, ang mga buzzer ay nagpapalipad?
Yes.
So, ito yung ulam namin, guys. Ito yung pagkain namin. Yan. Yan, guys. Oh. Ayan, wala pang gaanong tao. So, guys, early in the morning, ito yung aming view sa aming hotel. So, at very haggard guys ang mukha ko dahil wala akong tulog. Ay, nako. Wala na. Nag-ano na siya. Kagabi guys, may na-meet kami nga singer. Si Jos Adornado. Ang na-meet naming singer. Mag-ano siya sa Bundaberg. Ano ba tawag nun? Sus, Ginoo.
Rawa dyan ito mo. Digid siya makuha na to.
So guys, tingnan niyo. Yan guys, ang ano namin. Ayan ang aming view sa aming room. So guys, tingnan nyo guys ang view sa aming hotel guys. Yan, paggising namin ng umaga, yan ang aming views. So ngayon guys, uuwi na kami.
Uwi na kami kasi ano na guys.
At ayan sila guys. Ayan.
Hi, thanks for the night eh.
Ayan. Say
Thank you,
hello to my
Thank
Rose.
you, Ate Lele, for having me here last night.
Thank you very much
Thank you
for
so much.
accompanying me.
That was
Salamat.
enjoyable night.
That's good. And now we need to get out in this room and we have our brekkie.
Let's go and let's have breakfast.
Tingnan nyo guys. May mga naano pa ba natira nga drinks? Tingnan mo tong isa. Wala. Ano nang nangyari dyan? So, good morning guys. This is Dancing Pillow Mama again. Last night, na-meet namin si Jos Adornado, ang singer ng My Love. My Love ba yun?
No.
My Love. So, ngayon guys, nandito kami sa restaurant. Kumakain ng
What's the name of
breakfast.
the restaurant? Sokyo.
Sokyo.
Where are we?
Star Brisbane Hotel Casino.
Thanks for last night, T, and thanks for today. So next time again soon. It's your turn.
Thanks, Ate Lily, for having me here yesterday. I enjoyed it last night so much.
So much.
Thank you,
So
Ate
much
Lily.
happening. So we will do it again, and it's my turn.
So guys, very thankful sila. Gratitude. So, i-flex ko sa inyo guys ang views ng restaurant at ang lobby ng hotel. So, guys, yan ang views ng hotel. Ayan, guys. So, tingnan mo, guys. So, dito kami kumakain sa Sukyo Japanese Restaurant. Dito kami nag-breakfast. Maghantay ka. Ano? Tapos na yan doon. Ayun ang river doon. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang river, guys. So, yan ang breakfast. Yan ang breakfast ni Wendy.
Yeah. Egg Benedict with poached egg and bacon. Thank you.
And also mine as well. Egg Benedict and bacon
With poached egg.
with poached egg.
Okay. Ito sa akin ay salmon ang pareho pero salmon lang sa akin. Yan. So, kainan na. So, ito guys, si Diyos Adornado, na-meet namin kagabi sa nag-dinner kami doon sa Quarter. At may concert siya doon sa Bundaberg next week. Kaya guys, kung gusto nyong i-follow yan, si Diyos Adornado, singer siya guys sa My Love.
Hi guys, I'm with Tita Lily.
Yeah.
Real
Singer.
yes. Look at her, very, very
Nako.
fabulous.
Fabulous.
I love your
Oy,
shades.
Ay, thank you. Ay, ano daw to siya, singer sa
Yes po. You can search our group, Yes My Love.
Yes, my
So you
love.
can ask me a question. You can say, Josh, have you eaten na?
Diyos, kumain ka na ba?
Yes, my
Kasi-
love.
Uy, anak, anong mga, ano mo? Anong
Songs
mga
namin.
songs mo?
Our most streamed song just hit 3 million streams po sa Spotify. It's called Laging Naroon Ka.
Laging
Originally by
Naroon Ka.
Jaya po. Pwede niyo mapakinggan yung version.
Oh, yeah. Pakinggan ko. At saka guys, mayroon daw siyang
Have a
concert
show, yes.
sa
Punta
Bundaberg.
kayo sa Bandi at saka sa Sydney po.
Saan sa Bundaberg?
Sa Bandi po sa Brothers Sports Bar and Club and sa Cowboy Bar and Grill sa Sydney.
Guys, panoorin natin siya, suportahan natin siya sa
Okay,
Bundaberg.
promise.
Oh? Ano nga, ano mo?
Paano pa? Kanta. Next time kasi ano pa kinuha ng ano yung boses ko.
Kunti lang.
Konti. Kung kaya.
Wow!
Don't forget
Kinuha yung ano eh.
Oh. So guys, ang pogi niya guys. Kahit bata siya guys, so, pinahangaan ko na siya guys. Anak ko na siya.
Dapat heart.
Heart, paano? Paano?
Hindi ka handshake this.
Heart. Ayan.
Naging circle eh.
The world na lang, the world.
Guys, halata na talagang matanda.
Kumain na ba yun?
Kumain. So guys, panoorin natin to sila. Sa sa Bundaberg.
And Sydney.
And Sydney.
Next time sa Brisbane naman.
Oo, dapat.
Next time.
Oo.
I'll bring the boys with me.
Ay, salamat.
God
So
bless you,
guys,
Tita.
thank you so much.
Ayos na.
Ano
Ayos
na?
ba? O, ayos ba?
Ayos. Diyos. Oy guys, panoorin natin ang My Love, no? Di ba?
Yes to love.
Yes to Love.
Yeah.
Yes to
to
Love.
Love.
Sa Spotify, panoorin.
Spotify, yeah.
Ngayon. Eto na guys, nagwawala na dito oh. Nakakita lang ng singer na si Diyos. Nakakita lang ng singer, nagwawala na. Hindi pa kayo nakapalo kay Diyos Adornado, please follow him at Spotify, doon nyo mapakinggan ang mga tugtog niya. At kung hindi pa kayo nakapalo kay Dancing Pillow Mama, please like, share, and subscribe. I love you all. Bye for now.